let's see if you can quickly sign up for Trello. And let me see if we get that clear. In 3 minutes, just sign up. Sign up, and let's come back. Let me know you have done that or not, if you are able to do that or not. Please, I'm waiting for the response. Go to your Chrome, type Trello, click on it, and sign up with your Gmail. Do continue with Google. If you are done with that,
hello, ma.
I'm with you.
Okay, so I think some people cannot see your screen. I mean, what I'm only seeing is just the size. I can only see your screen saying using collaboration and work management.
I just put it there. This is what I was sharing before. Can you see it?
No.
That's what I've been showing on the screen. Using Trello for collaboration.
Okay.
Let me change the settings. I think I clicked on sharing only the window. Let me share the entire screen. Come in. Let me share the entire screen. Okay, what are you saying now, please?
The entire screen now.
Okay, are you saying using Trello for collaboration?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to change it now. Please let me know if you see. Come in. Okay, what about now? What are you saying?
I'm seeing your Trello dashboard.
Good. Okay. So if you are following what I've been saying, please, I said in just 2-3 minutes.
Yes, I've been able to log into Trello now.
Okay, you're on Trello board now. Good. Any other person that's able to
welcome to Trello.
Be able to log into Trello.
Good. Just sign up with your Google. Okay, since we are able to do that, let's move on. So as I said, why are we using this thread? Why are we using collaboration tool? As I said earlier, I say modern work involves multiple tasks, deadlines, and many team members, which if you utilize an email or even a WhatsApp, it will be cumbersome. So before you know it, important messages or important tasks will slip through your hand. You may miss your task, miss deadline. So collaboration tools like Trello help us to do what? Centralize our project, and we will be able to track our project well. We'll be able to track any task we have. Every workspace, every work you think you want to do involves collaboration. You are a software developer, you are whatever field you are. As long as you are going to be working with other team members, you will need work management tools. You will need collaboration tools. So if you are unable to use tools like this, even if you are very good, you are very skilled in your field, there will be a problem for you to collaborate with other people. You want to give feedback, there will be a problem. So you need to understand collaboration tools like this. So it's going to help us know whose task is assigned to who, what task is assigned to who, and you will get real-time updates. Real-time update, as in when you finish doing something, you want to tell the person that, okay, I've done it, I've done this thing. I want to know the stage the task is, or your manager, or whoever, your head, your manager, your boss wants to get updates about the task he or she gave you. All this can be done in Trello, in any work management tool. And as I said, we are taking Trello as one of them. So I'm going back to my Trello board. Whatever I do, you may try to do your own later, because if you are doing it in the course of this class, you may miss some important information. Okay, let's move on. This is our Trello board. For my own, this is my Trello board. I've created some projects here. You can see some of the projects I've created: energy sustainability project and AI reporting tools, better as project management. These are things that I have worked. The whole of this place like this is, let's go to a new one and let's try and create a new one. So the whole of this is a what? Is a workspace. Is your a workspace. If I click on this Trello icon, I'm taking it button by button now. If I click on this Trello icon, you will see your dashboard, your board. Then if I click on this board, you will see the projects you have created. You will see the projects you have created. If you click on the next button, which is the templates, this one now is if you want to create a project, you want to create a board. Oh, excuse me. You want to create a board, you can use pre-designed templates, or you start from scratch if you know exactly what you are doing, or you don't want to waste time. You use any of these. See, featured categories: business or design, education, depending on the kind of work you want to project you have or task you have. Even marketing, some of us that do marketing, you can see remote work. Look at it here. New, and see for onboarding, tier list, different kind of categories you can pick from. I hope we understood that. So if you want to do that, then this is your home. Your home as in your own space, showing the work you have done or the work you are invited, the workspace you are invited to. So if you look at this place under this home, you will see workspaces. These workspaces now are like, let me put it like compartment, segmentation of different works you have. Segmentation. Like I named this my own workspace, explore to learn, because when I would open Trello newly, I explored it. So I named it explore to learn. So under this explore to learn, there are different boards there. You can see board and you see members, you will see settings. All these things is applicable to this workspace. They are applicable to this workspace. I hope we are following. So each of these you are seeing here is a board. Each of these, as I'm touching it with my cursor, it's a board. Each of them is a board. So, and in each board, let's create a new board now. I want to create a new board, and I need us to follow. Let's follow, and follow me with 100% attention. So I'm creating a new board. If I click here, you can see by the right hand side, there is a prompt that came out, and the prompt say create board. So if I'm creating board, this is what will come out, and it will ask you which background. You can choose background from here. You can customize your background, different color, different, whatever it is. Then you can name your board. You will name that board. Let's name this one. I want to use something relatable. Let's say you are a writer. You're a writer, like a blog. You are a content writer for all this blog, or anyone. You can choose anyone. We're going to, as time permits, we'll do maybe like one or two examples. So let's name this one blog content. If it's maybe the entire, you see, private, workspace, public. So like this one now, this public, anyone on the internet that is you have associated to that board can see this board. They can see it, but only members can edit. Only members can edit. Only the people that you brought in. Then this one, all members of this my workspace can see and edit this board. Meaning that if you give me your email now and I invite you to this place, you can do anything in this place. That's the meaning. You can do anything. You can move my project. You can tick completion. You can do things in this place if I put it here. So I'm going to put workspace, and private is only the members that I put to this board will see it. Then the workspace admin can also remove or add somebody. So what this visibility just basically give access to who and who can see the board and can edit the board. So I'm going to create, I've named the board as blog content workflow. I'm creating the board now. See, it's coming up. So we have named the board. Now see, I choose, you see the background I chose? So we have named the board. Now, this is our board. In this board, in each board now that you create, we have, in each board, we have lists. What are lists? What are lists? You can see this place. It said add list. Are you seeing it? I need to know if I'm talking to my people. Are they hearing me?
Yeah, with you. I'm following you.
Okay. And also, when you are communicating with your team member in a case where you did not on your camera, maybe you are talking audio, you need to consistently be checking that your members are still with you, so that it won't be like you are the only one talking to yourself. That is one of the ethics of working remotely. You need to consistently be checking that you are not alone. Okay. So, as I said, this place, the entire thing here now is board. Is board. So inside board, we have list. And list are what? List are tasks. List are the task, those things you want to do. They are tasks. Some of us that are conversant with writing, I don't know if you can help us with some of the things, see the task we can do. Some of the tasks we can do, like let's just brainstorm something. If you want to write for a blog post now, you first of all need to brainstorm idea. Abi? You first of all need to do what? Brainstorm idea. Let's say ideas. This one. I've written this one as idea. Then they say add list. Add list. After, see, this one now, under this one, can you see add what are you seeing under ideas? What are you seeing under it? Under ideas, add what?
Card.
Add a card. So you can see now that in a board, there is a list. Abi? Then in a list, there is a what? A card. Ideas. This card, this list is compilation of all tasks under that idea. After you get idea, maybe the next thing after you have idea of what you want to do, now you now do what? You start writing. So let's put this next one as writing. So that means after idea, see this is a list. This is a list. Idea is a list. Writing is a list. What other task can be after writing? After you write, for those of us that are doing content, this is a general thing. I just want to pick general thing that we can use. After writing, I think we have to edit. We send it for editing. And after editing, the next thing is now ready. We need approval. Ready for publish, I think. And after ready for publish, you can add another one and call it, we now say publish. Okay, so this is workflow for what? Why am I writing in capital letter now? So this is a workflow for blog posts or blog content. People that work with all this magazine, blog posts, what is their name? Linda Ikeji, all the blog posts you see. This is the kind of, this is synonymous for the workflow there. I'm just using this as an example. This is synonymous. So if you want to move, you can see now that I'm moving the board. The list. I'm moving them. So this is how to do that. Oh, I'm coming. I didn't put that. Add list. So that is the last one. Now, under ideas, Ideas now is, these are the workflow, as I said. This is ideas writing. Under each list, there are tasks there. And those tasks under each list, they are called what? Card. They are called card. So I want to write. I'm working in a content creation this thing, or like a blog post, or I'm working in a. I want to be posting for on Facebook for someone, maybe a social media strategy. It's a social media strategist, or you're a content creator and you are working with team. You cannot just be doing, when you have idea, you check it, you write it, after writing, you editing. These are the workflow. Under this idea now, let's say you brainstorm different kind of ideas. So you can say, let's write about, you can say, okay, under idea, let's write about digital skills. Let's write about digital skills. As in, for this week, we are going to write about digital skills. You see, you have one idea in that place. You can say, okay, maybe for the following week, we can write about work-life balance. Work-life balance. Is work-life together or separate? Anyway, that's not our priority now. Work-life balance in remote job. Let me put that, because some of us, we are going to be working remotely. In remote, because if you are not careful, remote job can make you, it will burn you out if you don't know how to plan yourself very well and know how to use all these tools. It will burn you out, as in you will feel that burnout. I'm telling you that, take it from me. Then you can also, okay, let's just use these two. Okay, let's use these two. We can also say another idea. I'm trying to think of another idea. Okay, let's say beginners. If you are reading blog, you have idea of all this I'm saying. Beginners guide to finance, finance management, or personal finance. Finance management is better. Management. So how many cards do we have under this list? How many cards do we have under this list?
We have three, ma.
Good. So you good. Okay. So in any what is it called? Any workflow you want to create, you segment them. You segment the workflow, and under each card you still add more tasks. So you can see the way I have segmented the workflow under this blog content creation now. Under this blog content creation, I have segmented everything. Now, when I created idea for the card, there are three dots in each of the list. If I open it, everything here now is applicable to all the cards under this list. Why? Because I clicked it from this place. I clicked it from the idea. The same thing, if I put this digital skill, you can see there is a pencil here. This pencil means I can edit anything in this place. We are going there one by one. We are going there one by one. I can edit anything. So let's add card to this one quickly. Let's add card to writing. You now start calling the person that I've done what you asked me to do. So please do the next phase. No, that is a lot of, it's going to be cost, it will require a lot of energy. So if you automate it, immediately the person that has that task, finish it, it will move on its own to the next stage. And when it moves to the next stage, the person will get a notification that this thing has been moved. The next person that needs to do the work will also do his or her own. So let's take this one for example, digital skill. I've opened it, and you can see all the things you see, that all the cards, all the what is there, drop down there. Here, open card. If you open the card, see, if I open the card, I'm coming here. If I open the card, I've opened this card now. When I open the card, you will see all the activities there. In this place, you have add. This add means you can add any other things. It already has labels, dates, checklist, members. If you have any other thing that is not here in this place, you can add your own. That's what the add means. So digital skills now, let's try and see. Under the digital skills, we can categorize the ideas. Okay, we can say, let's talk about career skills. So any topic you are talking about, it will now be there. You can say, okay, well, let's talk about digital tools, personal. So we are creating labels. These are the labels now is you can name these labels anything. You can name it maybe if the work is still in progress, if the work is still in to do. I think if the work is still in to do, sorry, I think I should you know what? Let's try to do a basic board so that we all understand. I'm sorry, let's do a basic board. This one is a bit complex. We'll take it back. Let's do a very simple basic board. I'm going back, please. Let's do a simple basic board. Create a board. I'm coming here. Okay. Let's say maybe like event. I'm coming back here. Let's just do something simple first. Let's say like birthday. I'm looking for something everybody can relate with. Birthday event or birthday party. Birthday party. Something everybody can relate with. And let me use this background. The visibility is still workspace, so I've created. This is the kind of thing I want us to do so that it will be easier for us. I want us to do this first. This one is easier. So you can see the board here, they are what? To do, doing, done. The board has been created already. And if it's not there, you can create it. That one I started from scratch. So for birthday, what are the things we should be doing? I need the idea from you, please. You want to plan a birthday party.
Sound planning.
Take the music, the cake, the music, the drinks, the location,
The decoration.
You say?
Location now.
Location. Thank you.
food and drink.
Location. So I'm going to put this one as um, I'm coming, please. Okay, location. So should this be like idea? Location. Okay, these are the things. Let's put it location. We have location.
No, I can't see your screen anymore.
Are you the only one?
It's back now, ma.
It's back. Is it back? Okay, so I'm going to add.
Yes.
Okay, I'm adding this one now. Can you see it? Because of time, let's move on. Location. Somebody said food and drink. Food and drink. I want something all of us can relate with. What other things are the things we are going to be doing? You have a birthday, you have an event coming. What are the to do?
List of guests.
Guest list. Create guest
Invitation.
list. That's great. Guest list and invitation. Guest list and invitation. Invitation. Any other idea?
Dress code.
dress code. That is like team, Abi. Dress code. I dress. Oh, sorry. You add another card. Dress code. Oh, I remember one. Decoration. Decoration. Then team. Team and dress code. Team and dress code. Okay. That thing we can work with that. Music, and so on. Now let's go under this location. If you are going to do this location now, you cannot do everything, right? So you come here. These are the things applicable to location. You like edit labels. You can first of all assign it to somebody. I don't have any any email here. You're going to send me your email later. Let me see. Please send me your email quickly. Like put it in the chat box. Like just, and I'm going to invite you. Let me call. Let me invite. Okay. I don't have any member here. Please, I need your email so that I can send you a request. Email, please. Email. I'm checking the chat. I'm checking the ball. Where is the chat box? Please send me your email. Like 2, 3. Just send your email. Ayon Adeyemi. Another person. We don't have enough time. We don't have enough time. Folukemi. Copy. You see the way I'm inviting people? I'm just putting the email. I'm going to send everything at once. Copy. Because of time, I'm just going to take like 4 people because of time, please. This person has used capital letter. Are you sure? This capital letter is not an email. Oh. Let me check. Let me go back and check. Oh, okay. I copied something else. Okay. I'm going to send the invitations. Like I invited you on another board, please. I invited you on another board, and that was not what I wanted to do. So let me resend it. Oh, look at me, please. If you receive this, let me know. Did you receive the birthday board? Not the digital skill, not the content, blog content. Oh no.
No, ma, I've not seen it.
For, I just sent it now. Just check, please.
Okay.
Let me invite another person.
No, I'm not even. I'm just. My work is just to record the class. I don't get strength to listen anything. I don't know.
I invited you on another board initially. That was not the one I wanted to do.
I'm using one com.
Have you seen it now?
Yes, ma.
Let's
I've
see.
seen it. I've seen it.
Okay, please accept it, please.
All right,
Accept
I'm
it.
going to do that now.
Okay.
Just not to speak. So,
Clement. I'm really working with time also.
you guys, this is after 7.
I've sent to 2 other people. Have you seen it? Please join because of time. If I send to you, please join. There's no time.
Yeah, I've done.
Okay.
I'm fine.
So let's go back and check now if you are there.
You will not eat anything before.
Good. They are here now. Thank you. I mistakenly sent invite to you for that first board that I said we'll come back to. So now location. Who is going to look for location? Who is going to look
I
for
will do that.
location? Give me. You do that. Okay. Let me find your name. That's for Luke, right? You see,
Yes,
I've
ma.
assigned it to you. I've assigned it to you. That is for you. Then food and drink. You can see I'm assigning people to food and drink. Let me put Clement. I'm sorry, I can't. Clement. Let me just call it that way. Guest list. So who is creating guest list? Guest list. Decoration. You assign tasks to people. Okay. So you can see these are all our what to do. These are all our to do. These are all our to do. So in this to do now, we can now do what? Let's put label. Anything you want to do, you click that pencil. Let's put label. On the label, you can put. You can say there's no name on this label. If you need to give a label, you click on the pencil, and title the label. Let's say this one now is. Let's put. You ask somebody to do something. If that person wants to do the thing, the feedback the person will be giving you is what? Either it is in progress, Abi, or it is done. It can be to do. You can say, okay, I'm still doing it to do. So this is it. I need to remove this. It can be to do. Which color? Let's pick this color. Okay. Need to remove this one. Okay, label. We call this one to do. To do, and we save. Then another one is what? In progress. in progress, we save. You can choose the color, any color. Let's pick this one. Then the not the word done. So for look at if you have done your task, if you receive this thing, just the way you receive it now, what will you do? What will you do? I need to remove this. What will you do, please? You receive a message or a notification that you should. I need to remove this. So I'm coming, please.
You click on them now. Click on them and save it.
I want to remove the one that's dead. I've already saved it. I just want to remove the one that I mistakenly click on before. Okay, I've removed it. You see the way I removed it? You check it to remove it. Did you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for look at you ask you a question. You are working with a team and you receive a notification and that notification is under to do here the things that you're supposed to do for this birthday party. Please, I'm hearing my voice. Somebody should mute. Okay. If you receive the notification, which label are you going to pick immediately? You have not done it. You just received the notification. What are you going to do? Which label will you click on to give me a feedback that, okay, I received acknowledge? Which label is that? Is she here?
List, ma.
No. And the label is to do, in progress, or done. To do.
I'll go
So you
to
click on to do. Good.
Yes,
Click on to do. And when you start embark on the task, you are doing the task. What will you click on to let me know that you have started as you are on it?
Okay, in progress, ma.
You change it immediately to in progress. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You change it to in progress. And if you have done it already, what will you click on?
Done.
You click done. So these are the things you will use to be communicating with your team members. So I've put it in to do. Let's move on. So all these things here now, they will be in where? To do. And when you click on it, you save. The same thing for food and drink. The person I assign food and drink to, please respond to it immediately. Respond quickly. You know what to do now? You go to this pencil. Go to that list of the one that is applicable, which is for now to do and save. Who did I assign it to? Clement, please. Online, respond. Anybody assign all these tasks to, please respond. Respond quickly.
Sorry, ma, Clement is lost.
Oh, we will find him or her. Okay, him is Clement.
Oh, can you change to another person? Task another person.
Let me change to another person quickly. Who can I change? Who is this? Grace, are you here? I've assigned it to Grace. Change members. Where is that Grace? Okay. I've assigned it to Grace. Grace, please respond. As the Grace respond, what about guest list and invitation? Respond as to do. We are wasting time, please. Respond. Decoration, do checklist. Maybe there are some things I want that location to have. Maybe I want this location to be in close to, I want it to have poolside. Shall you see now? Checklist. Checklist. I can say I want this location to have pool. So when the person that wants to go and check the location now, you will do what? Check the one that has pool. I want it to be, I can add another one and say I want it to have open garden. Open garden. So if Oluka wants to go and check location, so what should we do when she gets there and she found the one that has all these checklists, what will she do? She will tick the checklist. She will come here. She will come here and tick the checklist. Where is our checklist? You come here, see? You say, okay, the location I saw, it has pool, you check. The location I saw, it has open garden, you check. You can even take picture of that location. And after taking the picture of that location, what do you do as the person they assign it to? You can come here and add attachments so that the person that assigned the work to you can see the venue. Are you following me now? So you don't need to start doing call back and forth, calling the person back and forth. So immediately you do all this and you save them. If you are done, you just click on, you change that in progress or to do, you change it to what? Done. You change it to done. Or it can move, if you are in progress, you can move it. Oh, sorry, I'm coming. I'm sorry. You can move this, see, it can be moved. You see the way I move it? You can move it now to doing. Okay, I'm in progress, I'm doing it. You move it here. And when you are done, you can move it here. Did you see the way it's moving? You can move it there. Or if we do automation, it will just move on its own. Immediately you click done. If you check done, it will move on its own. If you check done in the label, immediately you check done in that label, it will move to this place. If you check in progress, it will move to this place because it has been automated. We are going to go to how we are going to automate it. Let's continue. So these people did not respond to this. Now, are you sure they are following us? They did not respond to it.
We are with you. I'm with you.
You did not respond to the task I gave you. If you respond to the task I gave you, I will be seeing it on the dashboard.
I'm having issue with my handheld is hanging. That's the issue.
Okay. Let me see if I can add another person. I need to see response. Let me add another person. Is the Clement back? Okay, let me go to the place and find more people to add.
I see RM.
Grace or Xavier, my network is really bad. Adeyemi Ifeolu, are you online? I'm adding you. Are you online so that you can respond?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I'm adding you. I'm adding member. So if I'm going to add, I will go back to this place to add to this place and add member. Okay, I've not invited you before. Let me invite you. I'm sorry. Let me invite you. I've invited you, Adeyemi Ifeoluwa, and I'm assigning you to food and drink. Please respond. Where are you? Okay. Respond to it, please. Respond. Either to do or in progress. Respond. Okay, so this is how it works. As I said, you add label. If you have another thing you want to add that is different from label, date, checklist, attachment, anything different from this one, you can click this one to add it. Maybe I want to add another thing entirely. See, custom field. I want to add another thing entirely. Okay, this one I can't do it because I'm using a paid, I'm using a free version. So I can't do this add. I can't add more label, more these things here. So this is how to do that. And if you also want to comment, you can comment from here. You want to comment, like maybe after putting in progress, you are having a challenge. There are some things you need to, questions you need to ask your member, the person, your boss or your team member. You can write it here. Food and drink, you can say, okay, what kind of food are we looking at? What delicacy are we looking at? You see? You send it. Here, even inside this chat box, this comment box, if you want to add attachments, maybe you have different kinds of food in delicacy dishes in mind, you can add the attachments. You can add the attachments here. You can say that this is really, really interesting and it makes work easier. Because you may even be working with somebody that their time zone is different from your own. And in the day, their own place is midnight. You cannot start calling the person at that time. Just all these things, you do it. And when the person wake up, receive the notification, they respond to you immediately. They respond to it immediately. So you can add attachments here. So what kind of food are we looking at? As I sent this now, the owner of this, the person I assigned this task to, can ask this kind of question, and me that I'm the owner, I'm the celebrant that I created this board, I will see it and I will respond to you immediately. I will respond to this your message immediately and say, okay, we are looking at so things. You can see all the activities for this list. See the activity for it here. So let's move on. Let's move on. So that is how it's going to be moving. If I'm done, let's go to automation and see how this works. Let's go to automation. I hope my version will allow me to do automation. Let's see automation. Automation is you're not seeing my screen?
I cannot see your screen. Yes.
Is it the only one or is everybody?
See, I can see
I did not.
the screen also now. It's back now.
I'm still sharing my screen. Oh, are you guys not your side? I think it's your network. Oh, it's your network. Okay. The person I added to this thing has not responded. The Adeyemi.
Back now.
Please respond to this food and drink. Is it to do in progress? I just need us to be sure that you are doing something. You are going to be working remotely, so you are going to be communicating with your team members. Respond to this food and drink. Respond to this. Hey, please, so please now. That person should mute. So your environment is noisy. Your environment is noisy. I don't know why I'm not seeing your response on this, my board. You can see my own response on this. Good, thank you very much. Why did you remove it? Put it back now. We are save. Go to save and save it. Just go down a little and save. Who did that? Thank you. Thank you. Guest list and invitation. Please, I added, who did I add here? Ifeoluwa, same person. And Folukemi, please respond. Folukemi, respond to this one, please. Foluke Timileyin, I'm sorry, I've given you a new name. Foluke, respond to this guest list and invitation. Respond so that we can move on, please. I need us to respond to it as done or in progress. Is it done? Please change it to in progress. I want us to do something. Change it to in progress. Remove that one, that's done. Remove it completely. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Now let's move to automation. So as I said, this is a Kanban view. This is a Kanban. We have different view that you can change to. We have different view. We have different view. You can change it to, how do I even change the, we have table. Let me go back to the workspace. You can change it to table. Oh, this is the automation. Oh, thank you. Let me see. I've seen the automation. So let's see. Rules. Let's check this one. If it will go. Let's see if it will go. No way, it's not going. No, I can't use the automation. It's been long I opened this one. So explore the automation, please. explore it, as in when a particular task is done, is completed, you can put this one in completed. You can use the label, change your label, the terms of your label to any grammar you want. Like this one I put to do, in progress, and done. You can put your own is ongoing, about to, completed. So you can now put your automation that when a task is completed, move to done. I cannot do it. I would have shown you here. I can't do it here on my own. I can't do it. This one it has expired. My 14 days has elapsed. So immediately you click on completed, it will move to done on its own. Or you use your hand and move it yourself. You can use your hand and move it yourself to the next place. So if there's any question concerning this, let's know. Also, you can also switch board. You can switch board. Maybe you are working on birthday before, and I want to continue working on my blog content workflow. I can come back and switch my board. You can see my board here. You can switch board. So if there's any question, let me know, please. And you can use it to do anything. You can even use it to plan your own daily plan, your daily schedule. You can use it and put notifications to reminding you that, okay, you have not done this, you should do this. You can use it. Any question, please? If you have any question, let me know. I have to stop by this period. I have to stop so that we can all accommodate questions before 8 o'clock. Also, you can also integrate other what is it called? Other softwares. You can see, you can even integrate Slack, so the person can receive notification from Slack. And I hope it's not inside this place that you'll be doing your task. Oh, you go and do whatever they ask you to do, then you come and communicate here that I have done it. That is what it's meant for. It's not that you are doing the task inside this place. No. You go and do the task and come here to communicate, collaborate that, oh, I've done this thing. You can even share what you have done through the attachments. So I will say that there's no. I'm expecting questions.
Okay. Good evening. Good
Good
evening, ma.
evening. Are you the one that has said that you left? You didn't participate with us.
No, I'm not sure I'm the one.
Okay.
Okay, I joined a bit late, but I heard you saying that when you enter Google, you search for Trello board. So I don't really know what I'll do after that. I don't know if you can like do a recap on everything you've said.
Oh my God. You've said so many things, But I'll just quickly, do like a summary.
All right,
We
sir.
discussed, please, we discussed Trello board, and we said Trello is a what? A collaboration and work management tool. And it's a cloud-based software. It's not something that you download. If you download it, you may not get all the features. So it's something that you use online. So it's a web-based. It's web-based. So when you have a team and you have tasks to do together, you have a project to execute together, you communicate from that place on the status of your the project. Tasks will be assigned to each members, and you communicate, you track the project that, okay, this project is ongoing, this project is done, this project is here. You know the status of the project. You are not doing the project inside the Trello board. No. The Trello board is meant for you to communicate, to seek, collaborate, brainstorm. There are places where you can ask questions, share what you have done. You can ask questions through the comments. Like this, and I made an example of this location. I use this location as an example. I said, like this location now, the person can ask questions through these comments and activity here. Ask questions that, okay, the location you want for a bed, we use birthday party as our project. And I said, some of the ideas there are for birthday parties, location. I brainstorm on food and drinks, you brainstorm on the team, you brainstorm on the guest list. All those ones will be in your what? On your to-do board, on your to-do list. Because inside this board like this, there are lists, and the list are, for this one, the lists are to do, doing, and done. So under this to do, we have different ideas that we need to execute. We need to do, let me use the word to do. Because it's a birthday party, we need to find location, we need to know which food and drink we are serving, the guest list and invitation, decoration, team and dress code. Under this location, it will be assigned to somebody that, okay, go and find the location. And when you find the location, just like a task is assigned to you. So this task now, everything that concerns this task, all the details of this task, they are here. You can see all the details of this task, they are here. The date you are supposed to execute it, that is the due date, between September 3rd and September 23. And by 7/23, you should have done it. We also said that, let's assume that that location, the celebrants need some things to be there. Like, I want the location to have pool, I want it to be an open garden. Those ones, you can create them as what? Checklist. So the person you assign the task to, if the person is now going to look for the location, she can now say, okay, this location has pool. You see, it will check. You can see that we checked it here. We checked it that it has pool. We also checked it that it has garden. And how do we do all this? We do that by adding labels. We do that by adding the labels. So you can also communicate as the task owner. As a task owner, you can communicate from this comment and activity and say, okay, the one I saw, it has a pool, but the pool is small. You can do all those ones in this comment section. You can snap the place and say, okay, see the size of the pool. And when you snap it, you attach it as an attachment on this place. The person will see it. So you can see that you are collaborating on the task, on the project you have. You are communicating instead of going back and forth on WhatsApp or through email. That's too cumbersome. You do all that here. And when you are doing all that here, it will not interfere with another person's own. But if you do that on WhatsApp, it will interfere with another person's own. When you send your own message, the person they give food and drink will send their own message. Everybody will say the message will be so cumbersome and you get confused. There will be confusion. So you manage and track projects on work management tools, collaboration and work management tools. Which one of them is what? Trello. And I said we have many of them. We have Monday.com. We have Notion. We have Asana. Many of them. And if you can use anyone very well, you can use every other one because they have the same interface. They have the same interface. So that is the summary of what we have done. And I also said that immediately a task is completed, you can move it. You can move it to the next stage. You can move it to the next stage. Or I don't know why this one is not moving. I want to carry it out. At least you saw the way I moved it that time. It's not moving. I think that's because all this my Trello it has expired. It has expired, so I'm being limited on what I can do. You can move it to the next stage, or you can automate it. You can automate it. You do automation, it will just move on its own. That's okay. When a task is completed, move to done. In my screen, I'm looking at my own Trello board. Let me go back to it. Just speak because I won't be seeing your hand.
Yes, no, sorry.
You can
Apart
speak.
from the 14 days window for Trello, if we want to purchase maybe for a year for an organization, is that opportunity available like all other platforms that you just want to buy?
Let me ask you one question. I cannot. Yes, now you cannot purchase it, but if the company is not your own, why would you want to purchase Trello? Except if the company is your own. You want to purchase any organization you are working with. When you Any organization you are working with, they will invite you. Just the way I invited you now. That's how they will invite you to a Trello board. That's why they will invite you to a Trello. Except if the company is your own. So I don't see any reason a work tool management, except if you have a company and you need your workers to work as a team and collaborate there. But to answer your question, the opportunity is there to purchase. You will see it there. You will see the
Thank
pricing.
you very much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Any other question?
Yes, ma. Good evening,
So
ma.
this I can hear you. Good evening.
Yes, ma. My question is based on the automation. For the green one, we use it for
Okay.
to do. We labeled it to do. The yellow, we
Automation.
labeled it. Yes. So I want to ask, the yellow, we labeled it ongoing. But for the
In
icon
progress.
up
That's not the
here,
automation.
yes, I want to ask based on the automation. Since we labeled the yellow icon ongoing or in
I cannot hear
progress, will it
you.
go
I can't hear
under?
you.
Okay, ma'am, asking for the automation. I know you're unable to do the automation.
Okay.
So what I'm saying is the yellow icon under our to-do list, that means ongoing or in progress. If we activate the automation, will it go under the doing since we didn't label it doing?
Yes. Okay. You see the automation, it depends on what you automate. If you automate it that, okay, if this thing is in progress, let it move automatically to doing. It will move immediately. The task owner click in progress.
Okay, ma.
You understand now?
Thank
The owner of the board, the owner of the board, if you automate it that anytime a task is in progress, move to doing. In automation, there's something we call trigger and action. Trigger is the when something happens. Action is what will later happen. It's really unfortunate that I cannot do that with my board right now. I've been restricted. You understand? So the trigger is when something happens. What is the trigger in what I just said now? When a task is in progress. When a task is now you that will now put that a task is in progress. You will use your hand and type those things that when is already in the template. Then you will now put a task. Then you go and put in progress. Then the action will now be move to, you click done, that it should be on a doing. So
Okay, ma.
immediately your the task owner, click that task that okay, this task for it. Do you get
Okay,
that
ma.
now?
Yes, ma.
And
Thank
if
you,
the
ma.
task owner click on done, if the task owner click on done, immediately to move to done immediately if the task owner click on completed, immediately to move to done.
Okay, ma. Thank you very much,
So
ma.
you're welcome. So do we have more questions? So I'm going to give you a
Okay, ma, I
task
was
to
asking,
do.
how do you show people that they should join you?
I'm hearing you. Okay, how do you invite people? Is that what you asked me?
Yes, that is what I'm asking. Yes.
Okay, how you invite people? If you are going to invite people, let me see if I can still do that. You come to this share for a whole board though, for the whole board, this place. After creating your board, you come to this share here. You click on it and you put the people's their email. But if you don't have their email, are you seeing this place they wrote create link? See, I've created link and I will change the permission. I can change the permission as board member can view and edit. Can you see? Can edit cards. So I put this one like this. And if I see, I'm now, the link has been created. Have you seen? Then I copy the link. If I copy the link now, you can now send it to anybody. And if you send it to them, the next thing they do is they will click on that link. When they click on that link, they are coming straight to your board as a member. They are coming straight to your board as a member. Do you get that now? That is if you don't have their email already. If you don't have their email, that's what you will do. But if you have their email, just put their email in this place and click on share. See, they are instructing, they are telling me to upgrade so that I can do other things. So that's how to use Trello board. That's how to use Trello. So your assignment will be create a board, sign up with Trello, and create a board. Any task, any project, or should I give you a project?
So let us pick any project.
Brainstorm on project. Brainstorm on project. Yes. Brainstorm on project. And immediately your board is full. Please screenshot. Make sure that there are people on your board. I don't want to see your board empty. This place. Make sure there are people there.
Please give us
immediately your board
number.
Yeah, 5, 6 is okay. I know that is a new account. So you are.
Let me confirm something. Please let me confirm something. If we add an email address, the person must have downloaded Trello before the person will be able to join the board. Is that the norm?
Now, yes. So if the person don't have Trello, it means the email, there will be a prompt for the person to download Trello. So for the person to use Trello, the person must have, because you want to collaborate. The idea of this Trello is that you are working ahead. The person has to have Trello. Because if you are working in an organization where they are using Trello to collaborate, you will have to do what? Even if they invite you to the workspace, you will have to have the copy. You have it on your phone. Or and where you can now do the work. And you don't need to download, though. Don't download. Work on the web. Work on the web. If you download, it will be limited to the features. So just work on the web by going to Google, to Chrome, to go and enter the Trello board from the web, from their website. Okay, this is 7:58. I will share. I think I've already said what the assignment is, Abi. I don't need to still write it again. I've said the assignment. Sign up with Trello and create a project. Your project, let it have different lists. And under your list, let it have what? Cards. Assign members, create deadline, add label, do all sorts of things. Just explore. And you can try the automation. See the icon for automation. Click on it and try it. This place. I can't. You will see it.
Hello?
So, any other question? Who is raising up hand? Clement, please unmute and talk. Clement, you left us here hanging when I assigned you to a task. Just unmute and talk, please. You are still muted, though. Okay. In the absence of any other, let me check the. Okay, Clement, are you speaking now? I open file meetings. What does that mean? I
Yes, I
don't.
was saying if everyone can send their
Ah, I'm sorry.
emails
Excuse me,
so that we
Clement. Somebody
can
talk
do
about
this assignment
recording.
together.
I did not record though. This thing has been giving me problem. Clement, let me hear you, please. Repeat your
I'm
question,
saying
please.
if I'm saying if everyone can send their emails through the WhatsApp group so that we can do the assignment together.
No, if they can send their email through the WhatsApp group, me, I will suggest that
Yes.
when you create your board, did you see how I showed how you can create a link? Did you see that part? Let me show you again.
Yes.
Please, I did not record this thing. No, I did not record it. I've been battling with this Bandicam since. It's not working for me. I don't know why. Let me show you again how you can create a link. You see this share? Clement, are you with me? He has gone again.
Yes, but
Okay, let me just
I
explain
suppose you
this.
have gotten. Yeah. No,
Okay.
ma, I
Click
have
on this share.
understood. The only part that
Okay.
I'm saying, as we are doing our assignments, let us do it as a
Okay.
group, so that if I send you
Okay, as a
an
group.
email or my email, yes,
Yeah, that depends on you people now if you want to collaborate. Perfect. Just send the link in the group and some people will click on it for you. They will click on it. And when they send you to click on another person's own and you do it, but you are submitting your assignments individually. Screenshot one or two, just one or two screenshots and submit it. And you know the assignment and your attendance is so essential to obtaining your certificate. So you are submitting it individually. Remember to give permission when you are sending link. Oh, the only permission you have is board members can view. For you that are just opening your account today, you will have access to everything. Unlike me, now see they've restricted me for this one. They asked me to upgrade. But if you just open your Trello board today, within 14 days, you have access to all the features. So do as much as you can with that 14 days trial. Explore and be aside the screenshot you will send to me, do more screenshots to prove that you know what you are doing on Trello as your portfolio. All these things are what you'll be using at your portfolio to show clients that I can actually do this. I know how to do this. Do you understand? I will even advise you that as you are creating your Trello board, as you are working on it, you can do screen recording. You can do screen recording of walkthrough, like how to use the Trello, do screen recording, and use it as your portfolio. I said this in the first class that everything you are learning, all the tasks you are doing, document them. It's a proof that you know exactly what you are doing, and you can show clients. Client does not care about your certificates. They don't care about your age. They don't care about where you are from. What they care about is, can you do this job? Can you deliver? So show them that you can deliver. You can do this by what? By your portfolio. And if you don't document all your learning journey, all these things you are doing, what are you going to use as portfolio? So this is past 8. Any other question so that we can call it a day? For those that will come later in the group and ask for the assignments, please, you help me, let me to
Hello, ma.
extend the message. Good
Hello, good
evening.
evening, ma. I want to ask, how are we
Good
supposed to submit
evening.
the screenshots? Should we just add it to your drive, or how are we going to submit the screenshot
Yes.
as our assignment? Should we add it to our drive, the link you sent earlier? Can we just
You can
upload
add
that
it
as a
to did
document,
you
like
submit the last
the
assignment?
screenshot?
Did you submit the last assignment?
Yes, ma, I did.
The same way you submitted the last assignment.
Yes, I
That's how
did,
you're going
ma.
to do it. Yes. Just upload the screenshots. That's all.
Okay. Okay, ma.
That's all.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Ma, please, those that we are not aware about the last assignment, I don't know where to submit to. Please, ma.
It's the way you are to submit is in the group. If you have been in the group, just follow up, as in read up, or the admin, the program coordinator can resend. You can just indicate
Okay,
in the group that
thank you.
you've not submitted and you don't have the link. How do you
Yes,
ask people
ma'am.
to join on your board? I've explained that. I open files meeting. I don't understand what this means. The web used for class is Trello. What does that mean? I'm trying to read the chat question. Please, can you drop your email so I invite when I am doing my assignments? My email is already with you. I shared it the last time. For me, for Zane. Please, I am not in any WhatsApp group. Seriously? Serious? Are you in Telegram? Are you on Telegram? If that is Danny Aquinas. If you're on Telegram, indicate there that you're not in any WhatsApp group so that they can add you. I'm here before we. I don't understand. Okay. I think I get it now. Please, can I use my phone for this? Yes, you can use your phone, but the only problem is that you may not have as many features as laptop will give you. I think that's all the question. What did you say is the stuff we search on Google and sign in? I didn't hear you well. I said you should search for Trello. Trello. Then you click on it and sign in with your Google. Do continue with Google. Don't do continue with work email. Oh. It's when you now start working in an organization. That is when you will log in with work email, because the organization you are working with will give you email. So you can now use that one to sign in. That's when you are working with a particular organization. But for now, as an individual, continue with Google. Ifeolu Adeyemi, table calendar. Yes, you can also view that board. We have different view, but as I said, I've been restricted on my Google. On my Trello, so I couldn't show you different view. The one where I just showed you now is Kanban view, where you can move um, from one list to another. You can move cards from one list to another. You can also move cards from one card to another. You can move the ones that have been done, that have been completed, move them. But I couldn't do that because my board has been restricted. Okay, I think I've answered all the questions. Trello, then sign up with your email address. Yes, especially Gmail. It will be written that you will see it. Continue with Google. Just click on continue with Google and follow the instruction. Okay, that's all the question. That's all the question in the chat. Any other questions? As I said, please, I did not record this class. The Bandicam, I struggled with it before the class. I think I made a mistake to leave my data on when I was installing. So the thing did not work. So I don't know how we are going to do that. So that is it for today. I don't know if the program coordinator is online.
Good evening, I'm here. Good evening.
So this is past 8. I think we've really exhausted the whole time. I mentioned something. I said I did not record this class. The software, that software, I
Yes.
made a mistake of leaving I don't know if you heard me when I said that.
I didn't hear
I
you.
made a mistake of I made a mistake. I left my data on when I was installing, so the thing did not work.
Oh,
So
okay.
I think I will
Okay,
have to
I have someone. Okay, I
complete.
have someone taking the recordings already. So if you didn't work, maybe
Oh,
the
thank
next.
Hello,
I'm
can you hear
listening.
me?
I'm
Hi, good
listening to
evening.
you.
Yes.
Yes.
I hear you.
Can the class please start a bit earlier for some of us who are residing in Kenya, please?
We started 6 o'clock. Oh,
Yeah, your 6 o'clock
is
is
it
our 8
6 o'clock?
p.m.
So your 6 o'clock
Is
is your
it?
8 o'clock, right? But
Yeah.
we started very late. That's why I sent the email very
But
late.
you
So
started
I'm
at
really sorry
around
about that.
9, not 6. You started
Oh,
at around 7, which is 9.
So
oh.
I'm so sorry about that. So sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, the
We'll try
program
to reconsider
is
you
like that.
guys.
Okay. So in the absence of any other question, I think we can wrap it up. Thank you very much for your time, and I wish you an impactful learning. Bye.
Bye. Good night.
Good night.